Car Story research indicates this vehicle as loaded with features and a fair price. Features also include heated seats, alloy wheels, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, come test drive the 2014 ES350. The Lexus ES350 is a sophisticated combination of distinctive styling, luxury, and smooth performance. A 3.5-liter V6 engine propels the ES from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. And the countless standard interior features transport you to a new level of luxury and convenience, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, CD changer, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.